How to make Pandora's box in Little Alchemy 2. Pandora's box is an item that can be created in Little Alchemy 2, a game where you combine elements to create new ones. Pandora's box is part of the Myths and Monsters content pack, which you need to buy within the app first. There are different ways to make Pandora's box, but one possible method is, combine air and fire to create energy. Combine energy and earth to create a stone. Combine fire and stone to create metal. Combine metal and water to create a boiler. Combine air and water to create steam. Combine steam and metal to create a container. Combine the container and boiler to create Pandora's box. Once you have Pandora's box in your inventory, you can explore various combinations with it. Storytelling, combine Pandora's box with a human. Forbidden knowledge, combine Pandora's box with a book. Chaos theory, combine Pandora's box with a scientist. Time travel, combine Pandora's box with a clock. These combinations offer unique adventures in the game and allow players to explore the mythical aspects of Pandora's box.